Sonsodo matter, the High Court has given directions to the municipality to comply with certain requirements before the monsoon, especially as regards the fire extinguishers, etc., whereby the High Court said that the incidents of fire should not be repeated again, that they have to complete somehow within a period of 30 days time. Then the High Court has directed that transformer should be installed at this particular place because that is causing problem for this site. So 2 months time is given to install the transformer. Thirdly, the waste which is dumped in the shed is required to be disposed by processing by the end of September. This is the third direction that is issued. Fourthly, there are direction issued to construct an additional shed for the purpose of disposal of day-to-day garbage. Fifthly, there is a direction to construct compound walls, drainage, etc. before the monsoon, so that there is no environmental damage caused or there is no nuisance caused at this site. Secondly, whatever is generated on day-to-day basis also is required to be processed, and those directions are already there. They are supposed to erect an additional shed now. That is what I have told you. And upon erection of that shed, the shed where the present dump or present garbage is lying will have to be completely cleared by September.